Welcome to a demonstration of Trade Machine Platinum. Trade Machine Platinum has everything that Trade Machine has, just with added functionality. In particular, Trade Machine Platinum is designed for traders that are looking to test strategies on a group of stocks, let's call it a portfolio, and see how that group of stocks has done, both one at a time and in summary. While you do not have to create a portfolio in Trade Machine Platinum to have this portfolio capability, oftentimes it helps. So we click on Portfolios, and we would want to create a new portfolio. You add a portfolio name. The maximum number of stocks you can add for any one portfolio is 50. However, you have unlimited portfolios that you can save. So we'll start with a portfolio that breaks the NASDAQ 100 into two groups, the first 50 alphabetically and the second 50 alphabetically. We'll do the second 50. You can add tickers by hand and just put a comma or a space in between them, or you can copy and paste them in if you like. A hint for finding the tickers for the NASDAQ 100 is to go to Google and search for NASDAQ 100 components. You will see that the NASDAQ itself lists those components for you. You can copy and paste these tickers into Excel and then split them in two groups of 50, and then copy and paste each group into Trade Machine. Here's how the NASDAQ 100 second 50 portfolio looks. You can remove any ticker by simply clicking the X. Remember, your limit with the Trade Machine Platinum account is 50 tickers. That is 10 times or 1000% the capability of a normal Trade Machine account. The next thing you can do is test the portfolio. The date of this recording is January 2nd, 2020. Let's look at the buy the dip strategy over the last year. So look to get long a call, never trade earnings. We use a technical open. These are the technicals for the buy the dip. We'll put our stops and our limits in, and we will get long those calls. Now you can see Trade Machine building a list of stocks and returns. Just that fast. And we've just completed the 50 stocks in reverse alphabetical order in the NASDAQ 100. You'll notice that some of the stocks don't trigger, and you'll get a warning from Trade Machine. This is just to alert you that, for example, XLNX had no back test for this period. The calculations are run correctly anyway. Now we have a portfolio summary. This shows the total return, which is the gain minus the loss, and then the total return percent, which is the total return divided by the amount risked. However, using total return has some pitfalls. Because higher priced stocks have more expensive options, the total return, that is the amount made, the amount lost, and the amount risked, is going to be biased by more expensive stocks. A more clever way to analyze a strategy is to first look at the win rates. In this case, we have 70 wins and 50 losses with a 58% win rate, and the average return was 32%. So if we look at a stock like Intuit, on average, buy the dip returned 3.4% per trade. We then do that for every single stock in this group and give you the average of that. And that's why it is called an average return. Just like the normal Trade Machine, you can click on a ticker to see the details of a specific backtest. And this will look exactly as it does with a normal Trade Machine account. But here we have a portfolio view, so we can quickly see which strategies we want to work with at a summary level, and then find very quickly which stocks did the best. Please feel free to test any kind of strategy, including a custom strategy if you like, your own technical opens, different dated options, certainly different deltas, and any different type of time frame. And here's the best part of Trade Machine Platinum. While you get 1000% more functionality, it costs 0% more. The only requirement to use Trade Machine Platinum is an annual subscription. The annual subscription will be placed at the monthly price you pay. There are no refunds once you make the commitment to Trade Machine Platinum for 1 year. You can, of course, cancel your subscription after a year, and that's it. Welcome to institutional power for the retail investor.